scared of the complaint I make. I hold myself satisfied, for even if it does not profit me, blame will at least fall on you. I should blame you greatly, but I spare you. For he who becomes very angry, especially when he is angry, is treacherous and immoderate. Therefore I fear that if I err, you and my pleasant songs will be much less worthy. So I wish you to know, if you do not improve, that it would rather lower both love, you and my songs. You and my songs. I am quite mad to hope for any improvement from you. For the more I reproach you as an intimate friend, the more you increase and worsen your failing. He who does not fear to act foolishly, despite reproof and the blame of others, is shameless. And he who has no shame will never be valiant nor good. And I know that it is not fitting to dispute with you, but I do it by force, because you mistreat me. So I am so maddened that I cannot speak sense. And if I speak rudely against you, since you force me, it would be wrong and sin if I were blamed for it. For the evil rumor from which the wrong and accusation arise belongs to you. I am quite truly mad to waste and spend my reproofs on you. Love for the wickedness and folly and cruelty that take hold in you. Do not allow you any discernment, rather they prevent and forbid you to believe anything. But for all that I do not keep silent, rather I will suffer sorrowful until a better season comes. Well for you that you have a lady without peer, without equal in worth and wisdom, by which you improve. For she makes on all